Actually, I enjoyed seeing the dorms and how the seminarians live and how the unit works as a family there. And
the amount of work that was done, I think, in a small amount of time, that to me was amazing. Structurally, it's phenomenal.
I didn't give tons of money. I wish I could give more, but it wants me to find some extra money to give more because I totally support this 100%. And it's so wonderful to meet the seminarians, all of you who are showing us the tour and just meeting you.
I think that this represents probably one of the pinnacles in Catholicism today. Churches, seminaries, they need to be the best that they can be. All it takes is to walk into your chapel one time, and then you'll realize how the Catholic Church needs to be represented by beauty, because it is. And I think the seminarians need to understand that, and they need to enjoy it. And I think the world in general needs to enjoy the beauty of Catholicism.